Oh, Bitcoin on a major bounce. Look at this, back up to 66K. What is happening here? Is the bull market back? Are you back into this action? Did you miss out on this massive bounce? And who could have told you about this? Of course, here was Pablo telling you multiple times that, Bitcoin to hit the high 50s and bounce from there, right? This was in early May. And this was in mid-April, saying to get to high 50s and bounce from there for Bitcoin, right? Multiple videos, right? Multiple tweets. If you've been following Pablo, you know this was going to happen. But what's the reason causing Bitcoin to bounce this time? Now, all this rebound in the stock market, because the NASDAQ just hit a new all-time high as well, and the crypto market started basically a couple of days ago when the new inflation numbers, CPI, was released in the United States, right? And CPI was lower than expected. However, the core CPI, right, that's what really matters, the core inflation was kind of same level as expected, which is, that it's not bad news, right? That's kind of already a good positive surprise to the market. So therefore, everyone's betting that the Federal Reserve probably won't, hike rates certainly, and probably will cut rates sometime in September. The market is pricing in one rate cut, 85% chance in September, and two rate cuts or more by November. So that's what's boosting the market right now. But which cryptos are we thinking of getting into? In general, Ethereum isn't looking as strong. In fact, I think it's going to trail Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance is going to go up. ETH is going to be weak, relatively weak, next to Bitcoin for a while. This is because the Ethereum ETF has been delayed and delayed and delayed. Some people think, it might get approved, but the majority opinion thinks this is not going to happen until, say, August or maybe even November after the election, right? After this is becoming such a political process now. And the reason why is, one theory says BlackRock now thinks that the Ethereum ETF won't attract enough attention like the way Bitcoin is. So they really want those boomer money to be into Bitcoin right now before they pump out this Ethereum ETF. But which altcoins should we be looking at? Although this might sound really silly, right? But right now, crypto is actually mostly pumping just meme coins, right? That's the truth. I don't like it, but that's just the way it is, right? That's the way the world is. And that is because the return of this Roaring Kitty guy, that's the guy who started this entire, GME, GameStop saga, right? Pump. So therefore, when he's back, all these cat coins and all these, even Pepe has reached a new all-time high, right? This cat coin called RECA, right? On the Tone ecosystem, it's also made a huge run as well. And that was my call to my Discord, right? Before it made a 10x. So watch out for these meme coins as well. That's probably where the action's going to be.